Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my ClipMagix review. I'm here inside the cloud-based software and today I'm gonna give you a full overview. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are and how much all this cost. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of ClipMagix. In a nutshell, ClipMagix is a cloud-based software that is gonna allow you create these attention grabbing graphics such as videos. You can add all sorts of elements to these videos and make them stand out and make your business basically make more sales in your business. So if you are interested, then stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything for you. If you want to pick up ClipMagix anytime during watching this review video, please click the first link down below in the description. Come through to my bonus page, scroll down, click on one of these yellow buttons. You will be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of ClipMagix. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page. The ClipMagix is gonna go live at 10 a.m. on the 28th of June at 10 a.m. EST. So make sure once it goes live, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these yellow buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page, and like I said, you can pick up your copy via clicking on one of these green buttons. Now let's go over my bonuses that I'm giving away with ClipMagix. These bonuses are exclusive to me, and if you happen to pick it up via my bonus page, you're gonna get access to all these exclusive bonuses. These bonuses are not gonna be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So make sure, if you want my bonuses, my bonus package plus ClipMagix, you get all my bonuses for free once you pick up the front end. Make sure to pick up ClipMagix via my bonus page. My first bonus is gonna be access to the best websites to get high quality graphics for free. Nobody's gonna share this secret with you. I'm gonna give you the exact websites to grab these video graphics or image graphics, high quality image graphics, high quality video graphics, all for free. My second bonus is gonna be a hack on how to make graphics stand out, how to make your own graphics stand out, how to make your videos stand out. Because obviously, if you do not have some sort of an idea, you can't work with this software. You have to make really high quality and interesting content to your customers for you to get sales. I'm gonna show you on how to do that in my second bonus. In my third bonus, I'm gonna give you access to the 10 best ways to make money as a graphic designer. Basically, if you design videos, if you make videos for a living, if you make graphics for a living in general, I'm gonna show you the 10 best ways to make money as a graphic designer. All these ways are proven to work, and people are generating anywhere from $500 up to $1,000 per day just via designing graphics. My fourth bonus is going to be access on how to edit videos like a pro. If you never ever edit videos, if you have never edited videos, I'm going to show you how to edit videos. I got my tutorial right here that's going to show you how to become a professional in editing videos. My fifth bonus is going to be access to all the vendors bonuses. I know that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I don't know what these bonuses are though, but I know that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra bonuses for you to make the best out of your ClipMagix purchase. Now remember, ClipMagix is gonna go live at the 28th at 10 a.m. and you can pick it up for $47 at the front end version. Everything I'm about to show you in this demo, you can pick it up for $47. If you want more features and more cool stuff to play with, we're gonna go over the upsells just after the demo. Now, once you pick up ClipMagix, the front end version, I have here access. I'm gonna share with you everything. You're gonna click on user guide and go watch the training. You have to watch the training first to understand how the software works. But basically, you're gonna go here and click on create. And once you do that, you're gonna choose whether you want to grab videos from YouTube or upload your own videos, or you can grab videos from their own video library. I'm gonna go and make a simple search on weight loss, for example. So once I did that, we have some videos popping right here. You can either choose one of these videos or you click on next. A bunch of other videos are gonna pop up and so on and so forth. Once you choose your video, let's say this one, you can choose the start time and the end time and click on choose video. Once you do that, now once you do that, it's gonna load up through the software right here. Once it does that, you can do all sorts of stuff. Basically, you have full access to edit this video. You have all the cool features. You can add buttons, kutos, or I don't know, cutos or cutouts. I'm sorry, it's cutouts, icons, illustrations, lighting, overlays, shapes, and social means social buttons. You can choose any one of these graphics and you can add them into your video. You can also add elements right here. You can add text. I can simply drag and drop the text right here. Let me just click on text. As you can see, the text has popped up. I can edit this text, choose the font and all that good stuff. I can choose effects on this video. I can also upload photos or videos and I can add it to this video. And last but not least, I can download the video or the graphics right here. You can also load another graphic that you already downloaded via ClipMagix. You can mask, animate, and render. Like I said, please watch the training right here to understand the full functionality of ClipMagix. Basically, all I just showed you is gonna be for $47, which is the pro commercial version. You get access to all these features, unlimited attention grabbing content, pretty little things to record breaking engaging levels, and blah blah blah, all this good stuff. You can rate it once you access my bonus page via clicking the link down below, the first link. You can read all about the details right here. My upsell number one is going to be ClipMagix VIP Commercial Pro Edition for $49. ClipMagix Ultimate Creator Plus commercial license for 100 profits, 100 done for you ClipMagix, 2000 HD videos, 1000 extra feature for customs and unique ClipMagix in the millions. You can read all the features right here. I'm not gonna waste your time because time is really valuable right here. My second upsell is gonna be, or the second upsell is gonna be ClipMagix Elite Commercial Pro Edition. Basically, get more buyers by adding call to actions that command even more attention. You can add headers, footers, colorful borders, elements, buttons, and shapes. One-click publishing, broadcasting, and schedule posting to social media. This is really cool. I highly recommend you pick up the second upsell because you can schedule. Most services that charge you anywhere from $19 up to $47, maybe $97 just for this feature, which is scheduling and posting on social media. The third upsell is going to be ClipMagix Exclusive Commercial Pro Edition for $47.95. Brand new CGI and Animation Clip Creator Plus commercial license for 100% profits. You get access to CGI effects, call to action buttons, with animated socials. We have ClipMagix with animated social, animated elements, broadcasting and scheduling, and all this good stuff. You can add marvels like CGI effects. And the fourth upsell is going to be the Agency Pro Edition for $49.95. You get the agency with developer, outsource, and virtual assistant license. Add ClipMagix effects to any MP4 video. ClipMagix 10x variation creator, client reporting, client social media management, client workload storage, full commercial selling rights. You can basically sell ClipMagix as your own product. Those are, sorry, please excuse the noise in the background. Like I said, those are the prices in the upsells. Definitely consider picking up ClipMagix if you want to design these graphics and make even more. Sorry again, I'm really sorry for the noise in the background. Like I said, definitely consider picking up ClipMagix if you are a fan of making videos, or if you want to maximize your sales to make these high quality videos. Plus, with all my bonuses, I made it a pretty much no-brainer for the front end for $47, because I'm giving you all the tools that are gonna help you make the most out of ClipMagix. This was my review. Please subscribe and hit that bell to receive more upcoming reviews and more upcoming methods on how to make money online. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.